The price for the fruits are shown here in this table. Mr. Tan bought an equal number of oranges and apples. What is the ratio of the amount he spent on the orange to the amount he spent on the apple? Give you answer in the simplest form. Okay, since Mr. Tan bought equal number of orange and apples, the amount she spent on these two fruits should be just the ratio of the price for each piece of orange and apples. Now let's write down the price for each piece of the fruit. The price of fruits per piece. And for orange, that's going to be $3 divided by 4. And for apple, that's $2 divided by 3. And for French melons, that's going to be $9. Okay. So for the first question, given that we have equal number of orange and apple, the ratio of the amount spent on two fruits should be simply 3/4 with reference to 2/3. And if we simplify this one by multiply 12 to all these numbers, we should have 3/4 multiplied by 12 over 2/3 multiplied by 12, and that's going to be 9/8. Okay, that's the first question. The second question says that now the ratio between the fruits is 8:9:3, and then Mrs. Lee spent so much money on it, and how many fruits did she buy altogether? So we already have the information on the price per piece for such fruits, and now we have one additional information on the number of the fruits. But we only know the ratio, right? We only know the ratio. We don't know exact number. So let's do this. We're going to assume that the number of fruits is going to be orange, since it's 8 times something. So let's call it 8n. And the number of apple should be just 9n. And the number of melon should be just 3n. So the total amount we spend on the fruits should be just the price per piece multiplied by the quantity, and then sum up for everything for all the 3 fruits. So we have for the orange, we have the price is 3/4 multiplied by its quantity 8n, and for apple $2/3 multiplied by the quantity 9n, and plus melon is $9 plus the quantity multiplied by the quantity 3n. That's going to be equals to $936. And let's simplify the left hand side. We have this one is give you 6n. The second term gives us a 6n. The third term gives 27n. If you sum everything together, that's a 39n equals to $936. And this one gives us that n should be equals to, let me see, n should be just equals to 936 divided by 39, and that is 24. Okay, so given that n equals 24, how many fruits all do we buy together? And we know that all the quantity, that's a sum of these 3 terms. So the quantity, the total quantity is going to be total quantity equals to 8n plus 9n plus 3n. That is basically, it's 20n. And since n equals 24, so the final answer should be just 480. And this is the answer.